So I have the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette, and I also got the hand mirror, and I wanted to do an unboxing video with you. I've had this box for 2 days and I did not want to open it because I wanted to like make you part of this. Now you're gonna have to forgive me because this is my second take on this video, so it's not like a true unboxing. I am so sorry for this, but I have my phone camera filming the unboxing process and I wasn't on frame, so I was so annoyed by it, but I did pack everything as much as I could, and I still want to show you how they packaged it because I thought they put so much thought process into it, and I'm really excited about it. I'm actually not a fan of Jeffree Star. I'm more a fan of Shane Dawson, but I've heard so many good things about Jeffree Star Cosmetics and his products and how he packages things and how he puts so much thought into the process, and I feel like this was just a whole experience. I'm really sad that I couldn't do this first time with you, but I still want to make you part of this process. Like, you have to be here with me, girl. So I'm going to show you the box. It's like a really nice pink box and it opens like a chest. So it has this tape with the Jeffree Star logo. I tried to cover my like shipping information because I tried to remove the shipping label and it wasn't coming off. But anyways, I opened this with a knife and I was able to open the box like so. And then once I open it, and I know it doesn't look as pretty, but I assure you it came really pretty. It had this like here. So we have some tissue paper, this really pink tissue paper, and I feel like it was just meant to cover like this open space that was there, because this is the palette. Now it was really nicely wrapped, and it has this really nice conspiracy sticker. It has like this really nice circle, white and black, and the Jeffree Star logo in the middle, which says conspiracy. I'll show you more closely. Now what I do like about this packaging is the fact that it has the Shane Dawson and the Jeffree Star logo on it, like this tissue paper right here. I thought it was really pretty and very thoughtful, and I was so saddened that I had to break it because I'm a savage and I don't know how to open things, you know. But it came like very nicely covered there, and I was really appreciative that they had bubble wrap, and it's also pink bubble wrap. I don't know, I feel like pink is Jeffree Star's favorite color. So I'm really excited that they brought bubble wrap because you have no clue what the shipping courier can do or throw it or manage the packaging. Like, it's out of the cosmetics or the company's control. So I'm glad that they at least protect it as much as they can to make sure that the palette comes intact. And then we have the palette. I'm really excited because it has like this gold conspiracy letters, and then it has like, I call it the swirl. How do you call this? It's more like a circle, like a black and white circle, and it's really nice. It feels very heavy, not too heavy. I'm gonna say more like a comfortable heavy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not heavy, but it doesn't look flimsy. That's what I'm trying to say. And then on the back of the box, we have some ingredients list there. And one of the things that caught my eye was that it has the Jeffree Star logo here, and then the new Shane Dawson logo there. And because I've never ordered from Jeffree Star, I don't know if he does this for every packaging or like product, but I did notice that he has the Jeffree Star Instagram and YouTube information there. So that's really nice promotion or marketing. And now for opening the palette, which I'm really excited, you guys. You open it this way. Wait, it's like a push, so this is like an insert. You push it out, and oh my gosh, this is a really nice palette. Oh, I can't wait for you to see it. So you open it like this, and this is it. It is big. Like, in my head, I didn't think it was this big, but it's really nice. If you take it out, you will see the box. Now, in the box, you'll see like it's a matte black, and the lines are a glossy black, and it just gives it like this 3D, I don't know, effect, which I really like. Everything looks 3D. Like, if you see it this way, can you tell? Like, I thought that was such a cool, I don't know, detail to it. It has the Shane Dawson logo right here, and if you can see more closely, it has the Jeffree Star logo there, and it is pink, which I thought was pretty cute. Let me see if you can see it there. Maybe here. Now, I do like how this palette feels. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look flimsy. I'm really excited about it. Now, to open it, it has two clasps here, and you just push them up, they're not hard to open, but also they don't feel like they're going to break easily. So I'm really excited about that. And are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. I'm such a nerd. There it is. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! Isn't this such a beautiful palette? I want to focus on all the details. So take it all in, girl. Take it all in. Look at this beauty. I'm going to try to focus my camera here better. I don't know if you can tell, but do you see all those logos or those signs, like stamps on each shade? All right, so I'm counting here. And if I'm not mistaken, we have 5 Jeffree Star stamps and 5 Shane Dawson stamps. And then we have a couple of personalized stamps in there. One of my favorite ones is this one right here, like, where's my ride? And the pig stamp, I mean, are you kidding me? And I love the names of these shades. They are so cute, and I don't know, like very Shane Dawson. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if you've seen Shane Dawson before, but it's very him, and I'm really excited that he was able to create this palette. I'm not gonna swatch them, but I want to mention the names of the shades because they are really nice. The first one is Ranch. This one's My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, Just a Theory, Spiraling, Conspiracy, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, and this just looked like cheese dust. We have Flaming Hot, What's the Tea, Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, and my rides here. I feel like they're so pretty. We have some mattes, we have some shimmers, and we also have some like satin colors. I actually thought Food Videos was gonna be like a matte color, but it does have some shine to it, like some glistening, I don't know, maybe it's like a satin color, which I thought was really nice. This green is so beautiful and vibrant, and these colors are so vibrant, so I don't know if you can tell. Maybe if I don't put it too close to the light, you can tell better. But oh my gosh, they are so vibrant. What I'm most excited about is that it looks like you can create really nice everyday colors, but also you can do more like smoky eyes, and you can get creative with the middle row. So I'm really excited. Now I don't want to blind you, so I'm trying to keep this very strategic because I do want to show you that on the sides of the mirror we have 2 logos. We have the Jeffree Star logo there, and then the Shane Dawson logo right over here. And I thought those were really nice details. Now I did find a little like powder dust on the sides of the mirror, so I feel like this palette may be a little dusty, you know, like a more powdery formula. But I don't want to swatch it because I just want to keep it just like it is for as long as I can. So we'll see. But anyways, this is for the palette. Now I want to show you the mirror. Now the mirror is like on the bottom of the box. It's right over here. Now I do think that the box was big because of the mirror, not because of the palette. So probably if you order just the palette, it's possible you get a smaller box. But I'm sure that I got a big box just because of the mirror. I heard that the mirror was big, and it doesn't dawn on you until you really see it in person. So this is the box for the mirror. It was a little like tight in here to take it out, and then at the end we have a sticker. It has like the Jeffree Star logo, so that was really easy to take out. And then to open it we have like a tab on the bottom, so just pull that out and then open this like that. Now the box though, I wanted to show that the Jeffree Star, it has the Jeffree Star logo and the Shane Dawson logo, and it has the lines. I don't know if you've seen the mini Conspiracy palette. This box matches that packaging more. So if you get the mini palette, you're going to see like these little lines, and then on the back is just like a normal, like, you know, the name of the product, the hand mirror, and then like the Jeffree Star Instagram and YouTube channel there. And when you open it, oh my goodness, ta-da! Oh my gosh, I thought this was pretty cute. Fun fact though, I really wanted to buy the pink hand mirror, but I was so anxious that everything was gonna sell out that I decided to pick whichever mirror I saw and add it into a cart and, you know, go buy that. But then after the fact, I was really glad that I got it in black, especially because I match more with black than with pink. So I thought that was a good call after all. Here is the mirror. Now, one of the things that I noticed is that it's not all black. So the lines are black, but the insides, or what it fills in, it's more like gray, which makes the black stand out more, and that was very thoughtful, you know. But this is really cute, and you guys, it's big, like, hello. It's very comfortable. It's not, doesn't feel flimsy at all. It doesn't feel heavy either, so it's really comfortable to like handle and keep on your hand while you're doing your like makeup, which I look very busted and tired, by the way, because I've been up since like 6 in the morning. It's like almost 10 o'clock, but I am really happy that I bought this mirror because I don't know, I feel like it's really nice to have in your collection. I don't have a hand mirror. The only mirror that I have is like a stand mirror, and I use that for my videos to just do my makeup and also to make sure that I'm on frame or that like I don't have anything on my teeth or something like that. But I'm excited to just be vain with this and be like, oh yeah, sure. Oh, my mirror. I feel like Jeffree Star is very vain, and sometimes I envy that, but in a good way, because I mean, I feel like it just shows confidence, and I'm such an introvert. I'm really like, oh my gosh, I don't want to see myself in the mirror. But I've also noticed that as I grow older, I feel like I'm more confident, and YouTube is helping me as well, so you know, it's pretty fun. So it's funny because I can't see myself holding this all the time, but I want to hold it. Does that make sense? Hopefully it makes sense. So that is everything I bought from the conspiracy collection. I thought that was enough though. The process of ordering wasn't too tedious, although I do have a funny story. Usually when I do launches like this, I plan ahead. So as soon as they announce the launch, I go to my calendar. First, I make sure that the time matches the Eastern time, because most of the times I've noticed that they launch on like standard PST time and I'm on Eastern time. So I make sure that I do the conversion and then I know what time it's going to be in my local time. And then I plan on my calendar if I work and what time am I supposed to go to lunch. And in previous launches, that's been a success. This time I was really nervous that I was going to miss the launch because I planned the lunches and then nothing goes like accordingly. So this time I decided to plan my lunch for 12:30, and you know, I sent people to lunch and make sure that by 12:30 I was gonna go to lunch. And then after I planned everything, I was like, wait a minute, the launch is at 1 p.m. If I leave at 12:30, because I only get like 30 minutes of lunch, if I leave at 12:30, I have to get back by 1, and I'm not gonna be, you know, available for the launch. So I was so scared I was gonna miss it, but thank God like everything worked out. So lunches got backed up a little bit and I was able to leave to lunch at 12:45, which gave me like an extra 15 minutes to make sure that I have everything into my card and do the checkout, right? So I remember at 12:55 I was in the website and everything opened up and I was able to pick the palette and pick the hand mirror. I didn't see the pink one and I just saw the black one, so I just added it to my cart without like browsing it further, and I was gonna check out. And on the time of checkout, the website crashed, like completely crashed. And I don't know if you've heard the story, but it was a whole ordeal. And I was so nervous. I did refresh the website a couple times. It wasn't working. So I thought I was gonna miss the launch. I called my husband because he was off, and I told him, you know, like, this is what I want. Can you please order it for me, because I'm not gonna be able to order it. I'm gonna be at work. And he was like, yeah, no worries, I can do that for you. But I guess he didn't understand the importance of this launch. Because like 15 minutes after I came back from lunch, so it was like 1:30, I texted him and I asked him like, were you able to order it? And he was like, no, I was planning on doing it later. And I told John, no, you don't understand, like, this is really important. You have to do it now. And he's like, really? And I was like, my gosh, yes, like makeup launches are like a chaos. Like everyone has to be there because it's like, I don't know, I know it's a whole marketing strategy, but I fall for it every time. Like I know like it's gonna be sold out if I'm not there like hovering that website. So he's like, oh, okay, so I'll get to it. But I told him, no worries, like let me see if I can, you know, if I'm able to like sneak out and do that. And I was able to. Thank God we weren't too busy, so I decided to go to the website, try it again, and it didn't work out. So after like maybe 30 minutes, because I remember ordering about 2 o'clock, o'clock in the afternoon, I went onto the website and everything was working. So I went to the cart and thank God everything was still there. You know, like I didn't have to start over. Thank God for cookies, right? So I went to the website, went onto the checkout part, and everything worked out. And I was really, really happy, really relieved that I was able to order these things. Now, to be more honest, I wanted to buy the liquid lipstick. There's like a really nice fuchsia color. I can't remember the name, put a picture on here to show you which one is it. I wanted to buy that liquid lipstick, but because my whole overall purchase was like almost $100, well, over $100 with tax and shipping, I decided to pass on it and just get what I really wanted, which was the palette and the mirror. So it is possible that if they do the relaunch, I'll get the other liquid lipstick because I'm really curious to see how good it looks, especially with my skin tone. I feel like that color will flatter me, hopefully. So I really wanted to try it. I've never tried any Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I've heard so many good things about it too, so we'll see if I get to it. If I don't, it's not like I'm gonna die. I just really wanted the palette and the mirror. Now let me know if you were able to participate in the conspiracy collection launch and if you got anything, or if you didn't, or if you're not into that, like if you have more things to worry about, let me know too. I really would like to know. I'm not too sure I will get to touch it at all, so if I do looks with it, I'm not too sure how soon am I gonna do the looks because I just want to keep it like forever without touching it. If I had it my way, right? But anyways, let me know if you enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!